Hello and welcome to IKnowGadgets. In today's review, we'll be taking a closer look at the Spyder X1 Ultimate Modular All-in-1 Laser Engraver and Cutter. This innovative machine is designed to deliver exceptional engraving and cutting experiences for projects of all sizes. Whether you're a hobbyist or a professional, the Spyder X1 has something for everyone. The Spyder X1 Ultimate Modular All-in-1 Laser Engraver and Cutter offers a range of features and functionalities that make it a versatile tool for engraving and cutting projects. Its frameless engraving, precision cutting, extended axes, and compact design make it a standout in the market. With modular and upgradable options, as well as user-friendly operation, the Spyder X1 caters to users of all levels. If you're looking for a powerful and portable engraver and cutter, the Spyder X1 is definitely worth considering. Check out the link in the description below to buy your own Spyder X1 and unlock endless possibilities for your creative projects.